evening, everyone. Well, actually, when I was told about the With You app and whether I wanted to be associated with it, I don't think I even, the minute they told me that it's about women's safety in India, I think I didn't even question them. I didn't even want to know what, why, how, where. In fact, I was the one who made the call to Star India that I would like to be a part of this. I think somewhere if actors have the voice to reach out, one must do that. And I mean, I was not afraid at all to make a call to Star and to be open about the fact that I would want to be a part of it. I think that I never shied away from that. I didn't wait for them to actually come to me. It was, I think I jumped the gun in that. I'm proud to say that also.
And I think with a celebrity, with a fan following of yours in the country, I think it should create more awareness. So thank you for that. And what we'll do is we quickly move on to the question and answer for the press. If you'd like to ask a question, please raise your hand. And just before we start off with the first question, some ground rules. We are here today for a cause. So we'd like to keep the questions in association or in and around the cause, please. So please respect that.
I know, and I would also like to add that we always have press conferences. At least all my career, I've always attended a press conference where we promoted our film or we've spoken about our brands, kind of talking about our celebrity status. But for once, we should talk about the women suffering with this problem. We should talk about the women of our nation. We should talk about the problems that we face, and we should try to talk about how we can solve it. And that's what With You app stands for, and I hope all the women in the room here will appreciate the cause, and my earnest request to stick to what we all are here to talk about. But right now we are, for that hopefully we'll talk to Star India, and hopefully some of the male heroes should be there to endorse that app. But I believe very strongly that the women need to be secure. The way, I don't think you are aware also that every 22 minutes there is a rape in our country. So this is not even we should not even talk about it in the same breath as a joke, because it is a serious issue, and it's something that I believe in. And whether, I believe that women in our country need to be protected right now. The awareness needs to be spread. And it's such a wonderful initiative by Star India to come up with this. That to even have an app that you can download on Android, iOS, any of it. These are the phones. Today everyone is using a smartphone. And I think this is something that, we should all believe in. I don't think we should even ask if men need protection or what. Right now we're here to just talk about us beautiful women who need protection.